Ready to transform your skills into freelance income on Fiverr? This tutorial will guide you step by step to create a high-converting gig that gets noticed. First things first, log into your Fiverr account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture from the drop-down menu. Select Become a Seller. This will take you to your seller dashboard where you can start building your first gig. On your seller dashboard, look for the Gigs tab and then click on the Create a New Gig button. This is where the magic begins. Let's start with your gig title. This is your first impression. Make it clear, concise, and keyword-rich. Think about what a buyer would search for example. Instead of I will write, try something like I will write SEO-optimized blog posts in 24 hours. Next, choose the most relevant category and subcategory for your service. Then, for search tags, enter up to 5 keywords that accurately describe your gig. These are crucial for Fiverr's search engine to find your gig. Now, let's talk about pricing. Fiverr allows you to create 3 different packages: basic, standard, and premium. Give each package a distinct name that highlights the value. Clearly outline what's included in each tier. And set competitive prices based on your experience and the market. Don't forget to estimate your delivery time accurately. The gig description is where you really sell yourself. Start with a compelling hook that grabs attention. Clearly explain what your service includes, the benefits to the buyer, and why they should choose you. Use bullet points to make it easy to read and scan. Think about answering potential questions a buyer might have upfront. In the requirements section, list all the information you'll need from the buyer to complete their order. This could be details about their project, specific instructions, or any necessary files. The clearer these are, the smoother the workflow. Your gig gallery is vital. Upload high-quality images or a video that visually represents your service. This is your chance to showcase your work and build trust. A well-designed banner or a short demo video can significantly boost clicks. Once you've filled in all the details and are happy with your gig, hit that publish button. Fiverr will review it, and soon your gig will be live, ready to attract your first client. Keep optimizing your gig based on its performance, and happy freelancing!